In this video I'm going to very quickly show you how you're able to change your current CSE on your beloved Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in order to get the very latest August update, which I'm running right now, and that's the version AWGJ with One UI 5.1. guys, this is really by far the best firmware I have been using. I'm still testing it, so expect very soon my full video. But before we got to this short guide, now you need to make sure to have your developers options on your phone. If you don't know how, guys, I'm gonna put some links down below. Once you have your development options, you need to go inside and to make sure that you have enabled the USB debugging. After that's done, guys, you also need to download the SAM firmware tool. I'm gonna put the link down below. It's very easy. Once you download the tool, guys, you need to connect the phone to your computer. How will you know that this happens? The moment your phone is connected, you will have to see something like this. So here you can see MTP Samsung Mobile USB modem. Now two more steps. We need to open the phone dialer and type *#0*#. This will put the phone into the so-called demo or test mode, and this is required in order to proceed with changing the CSE. Now my phone originally came with an UX CSE, and I found out that using THL from Thailand not only enables native call recording but also gets all the updates very quick. Click the change CSE. As you can see, the tool is gonna do some reading, guys, reading the CSE list from your phone. Now have in mind that if you have some phones in the States, this might not work, or let's say your phone is carrier locked, so I'm not saying it's gonna work 100%, but it should work for most of the phones. Just type here THL, alright, THL. Hit the change button, guys. Your phone is going to reboot and you're not going to lose any data, right? This is the ideal scenario. Of course, you have to proceed on your own risk, right? Always do this with caution, but the idea is that hitting the change button here will allow the firmware tool to change your CSE to THL, and then, guys, it's very easy. After this, you just need to go into software and then download it, and then you are going to be able to use the latest August update. I promise a short video I delivered. If you like videos like this, don't forget to sub, VST over, and bye.